Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. On this occasion, I would like to present Pecha Kucha about country and the country that I chose is Japan. Okay, first, uh, the capital city of Japan is Tokyo for now, and area it's around 300,000. Yeah, 77 km. And the population now is around 194 million people. And of course, the language that they use is Japan. And this is the map when we see in the Google Map or in World Map. Japan is next to the Russia and South Korea. Okay, the Japan flag name is Anishoki or Hinomaru if I'm not wrong. It means sun flag or a sun flag, and it's become symbol of Japan when uh, 1999 it's become the national flag of Japan. And next is the government. The government system in Japan use uh, constitutional monarchy. So it's not called become the president. So it's called the emperor or Kaiser. And the name is Nirohito, and his prime minister is Shigeru Ishiba. Okay, the most popular history in Japan is samurai and shogun. It's around 10th century until 19th century. Yeah, this is the most popular history in Japan. As you can see, and in Japan film, there's history film about some most of history film in Japan is about samurai and shogun in era Edo, if I'm not wrong. Okay, next is currency and anthem. The currency that Japan use is Japanese yen. One Japanese yen is around 117, if I'm not wrong. And the anthem of Japan is called Kimigayo. It expressed respect for the emperor and peace. Okay, next is culture of Japan. Actually, there are so many culture in Japan, but I choose three of my favorite. The first is kimono. Kimono is the traditional clothes in Japan that we can rent. We can rent it or we can buy it. The second is Hanabi. Hanabi is like a firework festival that usually in summer season. And the last is Sado. Sado is like a tea ceremony when we visit like someone's house. They usually uh, they usually do Sado or tea ceremony. The next is typical foods. There's so many typical food in Japan, but this is the three best that I like also. The first is sushi, and the second is ramen, and the third is miso soup. But I most like sushi and ramen because sushi contain rice that Indonesian people like it with maybe meat and or salmon. And the second is ramen. Ramen is Japan noodle. If Indonesia is called Indomie. Yeah, so Indonesian people like ramen also because there also egg, meat, seaweed, and others. Next is popular tourism place. There are two popular tourism place that I choose. The first is Mount Fuji. Yeah, Mount Fuji is become the iconic of Japan. So most people when visit Japan want to go to Mount Fuji. And the second is if you miss do fun in Indonesia, you can also visit Tokyo Disneyland. But it's quite expensive maybe because but I don't ever go to Tokyo Disneyland. Never, never, never. And next is Top Japan University. There's University of Tokyo become the first top Japan University that is in Tokyo, and the second is Kyoto University and become the second top Japan University. Yeah, that's in Kyoto. Next is Japan famous thing. I think there are two that that make Japan become famous. The first is Mount Fuji, yeah, like as I say, become the iconic of Japan, and the next is cherry blossom. Yeah, this is most popular flower in Japan because if we talk about cherry blossom, in our mind we will think about Japan. The next is famous city. Maybe I just four become the famous city in Japan. The first is Tokyo, become the biggest metropolitan city in the world. The next is Kyoto, become the historical city, and Osaka. This become this what if you wanna try some food or you're hunting food in Japan, you can go to Osaka and yeah, street food. And the last is Sapporo. If you wanna enjoy a winter festival, you can go to Sapporo in Hokkaido Island. Next is famous product. The first product is the electronic product like camera, TV, and others. And most the brand is Sony and Panasonic. And the second is manga. Manga is like a comic in Japan that most people of Japan like it. And it sell also in vending machine. There is also sell manga.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The next is Japan Studio.
Let's go.
The most popular studio in Japan, is Ghibli Studio that make My Neighbor Totoro and Spirited film. And I forgot one of these two film ever win Oscar, but I forget Spirited or Totoro. Ya, lihat deh. And next is Japan anime. Japan anime, as you know, anime is usually from Japan, and this is the two popular studio in Japan. There's Ufotable and Mappa Studio. The next is public transportation. When you go to Japan and if you wanna change your place, you can use train. The system is same like in Indonesia. Use card and tap it in the door, and then but make it different is there is a speed train called Shinkansen, and also in Japan it's more disciplined the people. And the second is busway. Yeah, busway can become alternative public transportation if you board using train. The next is Japan technology. Yeah, as we know, Japan become one of technology country, and most popular is Shinkansen or the speed train. The Shinkansen uh, the speed of Shinkansen is around 320 per hour. Next is season in Japan. There's four season in Japan because it's a subtropics country maybe. There's winter, summer, and autumn and spring. If winter is usually in December, and for summer usually in July. Autumn, I forgot autumn, I forgot. And for spring, if I'm not wrong, in April.
Sorry, not that. Spring.
And the famous sport in Japan, there are two famous sport. The first is sumo. Sumo is like boxing, but for big people like this. I don't know what they do. But it's famous until there's a national competition about sumo. And the second is baseball. I think it is popular in school in Japan because maybe most of students in Japan like playing baseball. And also I watch it in Doraemon also. Next is typical animal. The most popular typical animal is koi fish. That in Japan we can see it in pool in side cross in side cross. What I Stomber.
Okay, driver.
I don't know. Pokoknya in fish pool lah. And then the next is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is a dog from Japan that's popular. And for other typical animals like Ezo red fox, it's like a red fox from Japan. Okay, next typical plant. Two typical plant or flower in popular in Japan is cherry blossom, like last I say, and then, the second is wisteria flower. It's become the symbol of love in Japan. Next is popular actor in Japan. That I know, that is Yuki Yamada and Kento Yamazaki. For Yuki Yamada, it ever become actor in Godzilla -1 film, High and Low, Tokyo Revenger like that. For Kento Yamazaki, I forgot in what film. Okay, maybe that's all for my presentation about Pechakucha in Japan. If there's some wrong information, you can comment below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. And yeah, see you in next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.